Oh, hey there. My name is Zion. And today, I am going to show you my healthy morning routine. Eating breakfast is part of my healthy morning routine. And of course, after every activity, we must always drink water. Just like Aru, we all need water. It is because our body is made out of 60% of water. So it is important to always keep sipping because it rehydrates our body. I am a water warrior. Drink water every day.